Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. This is me, your mentor. From today, we are gonna start our English vocabulary classes. So stay tuned and let's learn. So for today, I have picked 4 words. These 4 words are the words that we can use often in our conversations. So let's start with the first word. The first word is ecstatic. Ecstatic, we can pronounce it as ec and then static. It has a synonym of euphoric. Both of these words are adjectives. Its Hindi meaning is बहुत खुश, and its literal meaning in English is extremely happy, joyous, glad, exuberant. And for an example, we can use this in a normal tone, as if she was ecstatic when she heard the news. It means she was extremely happy when she heard the news. Then the second word is idiosyncrasy. Idiosyncrasy is basically a noun. It means weird behavior. It literally means weird or strange behavior of any person. For example, her habit of laughing at all the time is just one of her idiosyncrasy. मतलब जो कभी भी कहीं पे भी हंस देती है वो उसकी एक विचित्र आदतों या एक विचित्र बिहेवियर में से एक है. विचित्र लाइक अनोखा, अलग. Third one word is collusion. Collusion is also a noun. If you're learning English, then you should understand whether that word is a noun, pronoun, or which part of speech. We will learn about parts of speech. If you want that video or if you want that class, do comment. So let's learn the word first. So collusion. It's not collision. Collisions means takrana. It's collusion. Collusions means collaboration. Collaboration मतलब जब लोग साथ आते हैं. But collusion means collaboration for dishonest purpose. जब किसी बुरी चीज़ के लिए कोई group of people या कोई साथ आए, that is collusion. For example, some government officers worked in collusion for the bribe. Or we can use some of the officers worked in collusion with the terrorists. Or in our office, some of the employees collude with और फॉर एक्स्ट्रा मनी मीन्स वो लाइक एक्स्ट्रा पैसे के लिए वो एक दूसरे के साथ कोलाबोरेट करते हैं. नाउ लास्ट वर्ड ऑफ द डे इज एस्टोनिश्ड. एस्टोनिश्ड, इट्स एन एडजेक्टिव. Its synonyms are startled, stunned, astounded. Its Hindi meaning is आश्चर्यचकित, which means extremely surprised. When you see something and you get surprised out of it. For example, the audience was astonished by magician's disappearing act. जो दर्शक थे वो मैजिशियन की डिसअपियरिंग एक्ट को देख के सरप्राइज्ड हो गया, लाइक एज इफ हाउ कैन ही डू दैट. सो दैट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ एस्टोनिश्ड. And its synonyms, do keep in your mind: startled, stunned, and astounded. And from the next time, I will try that with the synonyms, I'll also add the antonyms of the words so that we can learn more and more words. So this was it for today, and you can take a screenshot of these 4 words, or either I'll put it at the end. So thank you for today, and before leaving, do subscribe my channel, do like, do share this channel so that I'll get that motivation to make more videos like this. And I promise you that we will learn more with this. With this channel, I will try to make you learn more words with the meaning in your daily conversations that you can use in your daily conversations. And I will also make videos on current affairs that I will shoot from tomorrow, and most probably for today's current affair I will put a video tomorrow. So thank you for tuning into with me till this time. It's the end. So thank you for watching. Thank you for giving your valuable time. Thank you.